Getting around Las Vegas. Welcome everyone on this Vegas NOLA Man. How to use public transportation to get to the Palms, Gold Coast, and Rio, to and from the airport and the Strip. If you're arriving at Terminal 1, follow the signs to baggage claim to get to the ground transportation area. If you're arriving at Terminal 3, take the free interterminal shuttle to get to the ground transportation area at Terminal 1. For more on that, check out my interterminal shuttle video. I put a link in the description box below. From here, go down the escalator to baggage claim to get to level 0 and the public transportation area. Continue going forward across the baggage claim area to get to the escalator going down to level 0. Go down to level 0 and exit the terminal. Follow the crosswalk and then take a right at the blue sign to get to the public transportation area. Continue going forward if you want to get to the interterminal shuttle pickup point. You can take other bus routes to get to these destinations, but what I'm about to show you is a safer, easier, more comfortable route, especially if you're unfamiliar with the Las Vegas bus system. At the public transportation area, board the number 109 Maryland Parkway southbound to the South Strip Transfer Terminal. It's a 6-minute ride from Harry Ried International Airport to the South Strip Transfer Terminal. At the time of this recording, the fare is $2 and exact change is required. You can also pay your fare by downloading the RTC app to your phone. Get the All Access Pass and get unlimited access to all the city buses and the Deuce. You will save a lot of money on Uber fares and it will make getting around Las Vegas easier. When the 109 arrives at the South Strip Transfer Terminal, it unloads at Bay 1. Enter the terminal and cross over to Bay 13 to board the number 104 bus Valley View northbound. Inside the climate-controlled terminal, there are restrooms, vending machines, tables and benches, and security guards. This terminal also provides service to the Greyhound bus system. Cross and exit the terminal and go to Bay 13. At Bay 14, that's where you can catch the Deuce. It goes all the way up the Strip and then on to Fremont Street. The 104 departs the terminal every half hour during the day. and the travel time is approximately 25 minutes depending on traffic. As we exit the terminal, here's Bay 18. This is where you board the number 109 Maryland Parkway northbound to get back to the airport.
Hey, all right. What's good? It's all right. It's okay.
Shortly after leaving the terminal, the 104 Valley View northbound heads up the Las Vegas Strip.
It's all good in a good way. It's all right in a good way. In a good way. In a good way. Hey.
And here's the world famous Welcome to Las Vegas sign. You can jump out here and take a picture. After that, the bus takes a right-hand turn right before Mandalay Bay, avoiding all the upcoming traffic of the Strip.
It's all good in a good way. It's all right in a good way. In a good way. In a good way. Hey.
In the background is Allegiant Stadium. Then the bus turns northbound on South Valley View Boulevard. From here, it's a straight shot to Gold Coast, the Palms, and Rio.
Approach Tropic Cannon. Transfer route 201.
It's all right. It's okay. In a good way. In a good way. In a good way. It's all good. In a good way. It's all right. In a good way. In a good way. In a good way. Hey.
Exit the bus at the northbound Valley View stop after Flamingo Road.
Approach Flamingo. Route 202. The Rio Hotel. The Gold Coast. The Home. Attention customers. You must pay fare to board. The RTC does not allow courtesy rides for any passengers.
Atención pasajeros, deben pagar la tarifa al abordar. Dar un acceso
From here, you're within walking distance of the Palms, Gold Coast, and Rio. From here, you can go left on the pedestrian crossing to get a shortcut to Gold Coast Casino. Otherwise, turn right to get to Rio, all-suite hotel and casino. To return to the South Strip Terminal and the airport, go to the southbound Valley View stop after Flamingo. When you arrive at the South Strip Terminal, go to Bay 18 to ride the number 109 Maryland Parkway northbound to get back to the airport. Now to get to and from the Strip from Gold Coast, the Palms, and Rio, ride the number 202 Flamingo bus. This is the eastbound Flamingo stop before Hugh Hefner. It's located on Flamingo right between the Palms Casino and the Gold Coast Casino. There's also another stop a little close to Rio. It's eastbound Flamingo after Valley View. The number 202 Flamingo bus runs every 15 minutes during the daytime, and the ride time to the Strip is approximately 5 minutes depending on traffic. And here's the stop for returning to the properties from the Strip, the westbound Flamingo stop after Las Vegas Boulevard, located right next to Caesar's Palace. Exit the bus at the eastbound Flamingo stop after Las Vegas Boulevard. This is located right next to Horseshoe Casino. Hey, if you like what I'm doing, show support and hit that super thanks button located right below the screen. You can also buy me a coffee or even become a channel member and receive access to exclusive content. I put a link in the description box below. Support my channel by subscribing is free. Tap the center icon on the screen now to subscribe, and you will receive notifications on future videos.